Hello students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Let us see today's assignment based on chemical equations and reactions. So first question, if the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides of the arrow, is said to be a dash chemical equation, right? So if the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides. So reactant side and product side, when number of atoms of each element will be same, so that chemical equation we are calling it as balanced chemical equation. Okay, so let us go for next question. When iron reacts with a steam, so it can form iron oxide. So iron reacts with the steam, it can form iron oxide and hydrogen gas, right? So what is the formula of iron oxide? Fe3O4. So let us go for next question. Dash is the balanced equation for the following chemical reaction. So they have given word equation here. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives rise to hydrogen chloride. So how can we write the balanced equation? Chemical equation we must write H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. Let us go for next question. When carbon dioxide reacts with the water in presence of sunlight. So what is X here? Sunlight. We can get glucose and oxygen, right? And as well as water molecule. So what is X here? In presence of sunlight. And so what is the answer? Sunlight, right? And next question. The total mass of the elements present in the products of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of the elements present in the reactants. Right children, total mass of the elements present in the product side in a chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of the elements present in the reactants. So let us see the next question. Dash states that mass neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So what is this law? Mass neither created nor destroyed. This law is a law of conservation of mass. So law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, right? So let us go for next question. So to equalize the number of atoms, it must be remembered that we cannot dash the formula of the compounds or elements involved in the reactions. See here, to equalize the number of atoms, it must be remembered that we cannot alter or change the formula of the compounds or elements involved in the reaction, right? So let us see another question. When zinc reacts with the dilute sulfuric acid, and here we can get the product as zinc sulfate and liberation of hydrogen gas. So what is the answer here? Hydrogen gas, H2, right? So let us go for next question. So in this question, here carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen. So carbon monoxide reacts with see here children, carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen, it can form methanol. What it is forming? Methanol. Just for balancing purpose, you can write here 2 hydrogen molecules. Okay. So when carbon monoxide reacts with the hydrogen, it can form methanol. So what is the formula of methanol? CH3OH. So what is X here? CH3OH, methanol. See here, some of the reactions we need to mention the conditions here in terms of like temperature, pressure or catalyst. So here we are taking to occur this chemical reaction 340 atmosphere pressure. Right? Let us go for next question. Yes. So the gaseous, liquid, aqueous and solid states of reactants and products are represented by the notations. So here whatever the chemical reactions when we are taking, so we need to represent their physical states. So if it is gas, we need to write G, and if it is liquid, L, aqueous, AQ, and solid state is nothing but what we can mention is. Right children? So gas, liquid, aqueous and solid states of reactants and products are represented by these notations. What is that? Gas G, liquid L, aqueous AQ and solid S. Let us go for few more extra questions here. Zinc plus a dash gives rise to zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Already we have seen this question, right? So there they have given the chemical equation. Here we got the word equation. So zinc react with sulfuric acid. We can form zinc sulfate and hydrogen. So what is the answer here? Sulfuric acid. So zinc plus sulfuric acid gives rise to zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. So the last question, to make a chemical equation, more informative, the physical states of the reactants and products are mentioned along with their chemical formulae. So to make the chemical equation more informative, so we can mention the physical states of the reactants and products. We have to mention with their chemical formulae. So I hope you all understood today's assignment children. We will meet in the next assignment. Thank you everyone.